Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 6. Introduction of set. Exercise 1D. Students, in this exercise, book has given us some question. Due to these questions, we have strengthened the concepts of definitions of set, types of sets which we have learned previously. They have, with the help of these questions, we clearly understand the definitions which we learned on page number 7 and 6 to 9. Question number 1. In this question, they are asking, make a list of finite and infinite set. Students, we know finite set is a set which has limited number of elements, and the elements of the set can be counted. Infinite set is the set which has unlimited number of elements, or elements are in the form of in continuity, or we cannot list down all the elements. Now, according to this concept which we have learned about finite and infinite, we are going to analyze whether the set that is given below is finite or infinite. First set of cities of Pakistan. Cities of Pakistan, definitely we can list out the names of the cities of Pakistan because it is our country, and we can easily list out the names of the cities. So the members of this sets are countable or limited. So this set is said to be finite. Number 2, set of universities in Lahore. Definitely universities present in Lahore are countable or are not unlimited. So this set is also finite. Set of whole numbers. Now students, here you have the new word whole number. For today, it is the concept which is enough for today is that counting numbers started from 0 and onward. Types of counting number that start with 0 and has no limit are in continuity are called whole number. So set of whole number is definitely in continuity or unlimited, they are called infinite set. Set of vowels of alphabets. Definitely vowels of alphabets are in 5, are 5, and we have the limited number of element of this set, so this set is said to be finite. Now comes toward question number 2. Make a list of empty set from the following. Empty set is the set which has no element. Here we can say that empty set is a set whose elements cannot be listed. Cannot be listed. See the first statement. Set of whole numbers between 9 and 10. They are saying list the element which is between 9 and 10. Students, definitely there is no number between 9 and 10. So this type of set which elements cannot be listed are set empty set. Or you know empty set को इस तरह 5 के साथ भी आप denote करते हैं. Set of even prime. Even and prime. Prime number is a number that divides by itself or by 1. Which even number is said to be prime? Yes, only 2 is the only even number that is prime. 2 is the only even number that is prime. If we are going to list the element of that set, so it will be this. One element is present in the set, so it is not empty. This set is not empty. Set of 3 digit greater than 1000. Is it possible? No. This is empty. Question number 3. Make a list of pair of sets which are equal. Equal sets are sets which, when we compare two sets, and two sets have same number of elements as well as members of members. Same elements as well same member. ऐसे दो set जिसके members as well as number of elements same हो, these sets are called to be equal set. Look, set A 2, 3, 4. B 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 is common, but 2 is not present in this set, or 5 is not present in this set. So it means it is not justify the definition of equal set. So this is not equal set. This is not equal set. Now A is equal to set A is equal to 0. One element is present. B is empty. I have previously told you that 0 doesn't mean that there is no member or it is empty. No, it is an element. It is an element. It does not mean that this set is empty. So this is not equal. Now comes to what 9 part of your exercise, question number 3. A is equal to EAT. B is equal to TEA. 1 to 3 elements, 1 to 3 elements. Okay. Now look, E, A, T. Now this set is justifying the definition of equal set as same number of elements and same member of element. So these are equal sets. Hope with the example of these parts of the questions of your exercise, rest of the part are very easy to solve. So do rest of the parts as your self-assessment.